guys. Hey, I'm very excited to be able to review for you today this hammock stand. It can be two different things. So you can use either an egg style chair with it or more of a canvas hammock with it as well. So I currently have more of an egg style hammock, so I'm going to be able to show that to you so that you know what to expect whenever it arrives for you in the mail. What I really like about this design is that it's going to be a little bit more classic and stylish, and it actually is going to be a more aerodynamic frame as well, and it is going to be able to support more weight because of it, so it's going to be really sturdy. You can use this indoor outdoor, so that's going to be really nice. It'll weather nicely. Also, it's supposed to be really easy setup, so I'm going to set this up for you so that you know what to expect and how to put it all together so that you can see how easy it would be for you as well. Also, the nice thing about this is that it also can have an adjustable height, so if you want to move your swing chair up or down, it does have that option available as well. So let's unpackage this so that you know what to expect when it arrives for you. And like I said, I'll also set it up for you as well. But just so you know what to expect here. Everything is individually packaged, so nothing gets scraped or anything. And everything has a little sticker on it as well, so whenever you put it together, you know exactly where that piece goes. But it's a little sticker, so it's not actually painted on there. So that's really nice because it'll maintain that like really sleek classic look. And it actually, if I can see it correctly, oh yeah, this is what I thought it was. So it's more of a matte black. I don't know whether you can see that, but it's not shiny. It's like that nice matte, which I actually really like that as well. So let's see. Obviously, we have instructions and all the little pieces and parts that we need. So more pieces and parts under here. So like I said, I'm going to put this together for you so you know what to expect and how easy